welcome to another video. So today I have two different things to unbox. I have the TecMic Magsafe case that I bought off of Amazon, and then I have a Magsafe wallet that attaches onto this case, also bought off of Amazon. Two different brands, but instead of spending $100 on an Apple Magsafe case and an Apple Magsafe wallet, I wanted to try something off of Amazon. So this is about $25 and this is about $25. So about half the price of what Apple is charging. I'm sure you can find them for cheaper too from different brands. But let's open it up. So this is the TecMic phone protective case they're calling. Let's see. Nothing special on the box. It's just a bunch of pictures. My wife's phone, so she uses a wallet that attaches to it so she doesn't have to carry anything else around. So as you can see, built-in magnetic circle perfectly aligned to attach your wireless charger. And I'm not sure what that is for. I don't know if that comes off. No, it doesn't come off. Let's see what else is in here. There is a screen protector in here. Okay, well, for $25, if it comes with a screen protector, that's really good. And some screen cleaning and screen protector application accessories, film ceramics. And it's a bendable, so it's not a tempered screen protector. It's one of those thinner ones. That's nice. Nice touch. I didn't know it was going to come with a screen protector. Let me just put it up to the side here. Let's pop it in. Okay, so it's a clear screen protector. Case. The buttons, still pretty clicky if you can hear. Yeah, these are silver buttons on the side and they're very clicky. So good quality case here. All right, let's see how the Magsafe wallet is. So this is Kiket. This was about $25 as well. All right, let's see, there's nothing else in here. All right, so you can, once you pull it off the phone, you can use your thumb to push the card out. It's a nice little touch. It's a fake leather kind of material, navy blue color. There's many different colors you can pick from, but let's see how it sticks. Okay, wow, it's really strong. I mean, this is, it's not easily gonna slide off. This is definitely gonna stay in there. Let's see if you want to pull your card out while it's still in there. Of course, you'll probably want a bigger card than this, but let's see. Yep, definitely stays on pretty strongly. I'm pushing pretty hard, and here we go, it slides off. The easiest way to take it off will be to pull it off like that. Okay, the benefit of having this instead of one of those 3M ones that tape on there is at night when you want to put your phone on your wireless charger, you can just pull it off and then put it on there. Okay, so I have my cards in here. I put 4 cards. It's recommended that you only put 3 cards in here, but most people try to get away with extra card or 2. In theory, you have this hole here to put your thumb in, slide your card out, except I'm unable to do it because I put an extra card in there. I'm trying to pull them out, but it's pretty hard. I guess you can squeeze from the side and then grab from the... Anyways, point is, don't do what I did and put an extra card in there, because when it's new especially, it's pretty stiff, and then you'll have a hard time getting your cards out. To be fair, it's gonna hold your wallet pretty securely with this case and magnetic or MagSafe wallet combination, but you maybe only be able to carry 3 cards, which is probably a downside for most. But that's it. Anyways, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.